Has anyone ever felt like I have that you're getting addicted to your iPhone? More research, I think it's 32% of us wake up in the morning and before we do anything else, we check our messages. Honestly, I think technology can be my friend. I mean, imagine doing all this software stuff without having a computer. Imagine communicating with all the parents equally, due process, give everybody the same information at the same time, without a way to send everything out to everybody. Basically, my sense is I need to be friendly to software and social networking without being so friendly that I don't lose my boundaries and slip into threat of loss of confidentiality. And that's crucial because confidentiality is part of trust. If I make one mistake, put one thing through an email or through a text, it is never private again. Anything online is public information. I interviewed a man, Robert Peck, who takes to the Supreme Court of the United States the technological issues for early childhood and other education programs. So he said, forget it about having specific policies about specific technologies. Instead, have a professionalism policy that simply says people who are working at this program will act in a way that is respectful of the profession and that speaks well of our program in public. And in public means online. Professionalism is the most important thing. And what does that mean? That means that I'm mature enough to know what I can do on my own in private and know what's not wise to do in public.